Hello guys, welcome to the channel Health Tricks and Tips in English. Low belly pain or the lower abdomen pain is a very common problem during pregnancy. You can face this problem anytime in your pregnancy. Why does this happen? Is it a serious concern? We will understand everything in this video. Pregnancy is not an easy journey. You're accompanied with lots of problems like constipation, bloating, gas, and this could be one of the prime reason for your abdomen pain. The pain due to gastric issues or the constipation are more prominent at the lower abdomen area because this time your intestinal muscles are too much relaxed, and the reason is very high production of progesterone hormone in your body that will build up the gas in your stomach. That can be one of the reason for this lower abdomen pain. It is also going to slow down your digestion, which will eventually result in the constipation problem. Due to constipation as well, this problem will aggrandize. Now it is also very much important to tell you the solution when I'm telling you the problem. So the gastric issue you can resolve by eating less but more number of times. So if you are taking 3 times meal, just break it into the 6 time meal, eat in small quantity so that it can be digested properly. 6 to 7 times if you are eating, and that too in small amount, then your digestive system will find it easy to digest and you will not face the problem of gastric or the bloating and also constipation. For the constipation, you should be eating lots of fruits, vegetables that are having good amount of fiber. You should also keep your body hydrated so that you're not facing this problem of constipation. Again, you should be exercising. If not exercising, you should be having regular morning or the evening walk. This will going to help you a lot in various problems during pregnancy. Other reasons could be like when the pregnancy is going on, you are in your second or the third trimester, you can feel a sensation of stretching because the baby is increasing inside your womb. Sometimes the movements of the baby is stretching your lower abdomen part. The part at the lower abdomen are more sophisticated, so you feel more of the pain there. The baby is developing inside and all the weight of the body is falling down on your uterus, on your bladder. That becomes another reason for your lower abdomen pain. Again, now what you can do to resolve this problem, in market you will be finding belly bands or the maternity belts. It is going to help you a lot in this situation. To help you in understanding what these belts are all about, I will be giving some of the links in the description that you can check out, and if you feel like, you can purchase them as well. When you are in your third trimester, you can have a false labor pain problem. This is known as the Braxton Hicks contraction. You will normally find it in 7th and the 8th month. This is not the true labor pain. It is not that much intensive and it subdue over the time. However, the true labor pain is very strong, doesn't subdue. It remains there for at least 8 to 10 minutes consistently at the same level. The sign of Braxton Hicks contraction is that it doesn't remain consistent, and also it can come 1 or 2 times and it will go. But the true labor will be coming more often with a regular interval of 10 minutes. So the Braxton Hicks contraction in your third trimester could be a reason for your lower abdomen pain. When you are feeling like this, try to change your position. If you are sitting, just stand up, walk. It is also good that you are hydrating your body at that very time when you are facing this Braxton Hicks contraction. You should be drinking water. All these tricks will help you in lowering this problem. If you are having the mild pain, which is not regular pain, then you are on the safer side because it is very normal in pregnancy. But if you are having intense pain, there is no point in waiting. You should visit your doctor as soon as possible. Some of the reason for the intense abdomen pain could be urinary tract infections, appendicitis, ulcers, kidney stones. If you are having intense pain, this could be a signal of miscarriage, preterm labor as well. So in case if this pain is intense and if you are in your last trimester, then the probability of labor pain could also be not neglected. So friend, this is all about the lower belly or the lower abdomen pain. Hope you have liked this information. If you like it, do not forget to press the like button, do subscribe, hit the bell icon, select all to get notified of all the notifications from our channel. Peace out friends, stay happy, stay healthy.